Guys, what's up? Welcome to our first module of prompt engineering course, where in this video we'll be discussing about some basics of prompt engineering and also some of the prerequisites that you need to know before using ChatGPT or AI. So yeah, first of all, I'll give you guys a bit of introduction about prompt engineering and ChatGPT, and also we will be seeing how you can use ChatGPT on OpenAI with you without any problem. So yeah, first of all, let's just see what is basically prompt engineering is. So prompt engineering is actually the practice of designing precise prompts, queries, or instructions, you can say, to guide machine learning models, and in that there's particularly a language models in generating desired outputs. So basically this is a kind of a technique in which you give prompts or commands to AI and instruct that by using machine learning models and give you the desired or demanded outputs that you need. And it also involves fine-tuning and refining prompts to shape the model's behavior and improve its performance for specific tasks. So yeah, moving forward, let's just also see what is ChatGPT or OpenAI. ChatGPT is a language model that is developed by OpenAI, and it is based on GPT, which is generative pre-trained transformer architecture and designed to engage in conversational interactions. And also ChatGPT can generate human-like responses to prompts and has been trained on a diverse range of internet text to provide useful and contextually relevant information. So it is basically a language model that is actually developed by OpenAI, and it uses a GPT architecture, and that is actually designed to get human-like conversations. And it basically works the same. You need to give it to command and prompts to that, and it will process all that and give you the desired or specific output that you need by using AI. Alright, so yeah, now we will see how you can integrate or install ChatGPT in your system and how you can, start using that right away. So let's just see that. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your browser and you need to search ChatGPT. And you need to click on this OpenAI link, and after that this kind of an interface will appear on your screen. You need to click on Try GPT right here, and as soon as you hit that, it will give you two options. Either you want to log in or sign up. So obviously if you're using it for the first time, you need to sign up for that course. You need to click on sign up option, and then it will ask you to create your account. If you want, you can create your account with Google, with Microsoft account, or even your Apple ID, like this, totally up to you. With my case, I'm gonna create my account with Google, so I'm gonna continue with Google. Okay, then it will ask you to enter your Gmail ID. I'm gonna enter that. Then after that, it will ask you for your first and last name and your birth date. You can enter that as well, and it will ask you now for your phone number. You need to enter that and verify that as well. Send code via SMS, and yeah, then after that it will give you a 6-digit code into your phone. So you're gonna copy that and paste it right here. Okay, yeah, so as you guys can see, it's just showing you like our account has been created. Just gonna hit next, and it will just tell you some information about ChatGPT. Gonna hit next and hit done, and yeah, that will be quite a bit of interface of ChatGPT. First of all, you can see your account information at the left bottom corner, and then you can see your account details into that. You can log out as well. You can go to settings, and you can select theme from light, dark, or anything you want, and have the option of Neo Chat. And if you want, you can upgrade that to Plus as well. That's of your choice. So yeah, now you're good to go. Let me just type any prompt here and see if that's working for us or not. So I'm just gonna type here, what is prompt engineering? Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, it's working as a charm. And with every prompt or every chat you're gonna give to ChatGPT is gonna be saved with you. All that data will be saved with you on this bar right here. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your data or stuff in ChatGPT. It will automatically save you in your history. So yeah, actually that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. In this video, I told you guys about a little bit brief introduction about prompt engineering and ChatGPT or OpenAI. And I also told you guys how you can basically install and set up ChatGPT in your system and how you can make that run right away. So yeah, that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.